We're going to have many views of the sine curve. Let's go over here and look at my circle over here. Remember, every ordered pair is cosine and sine. We're going to look at the sine. Starts at the origin, and it goes around 360 degrees, which I'm going to call 2 pi. That's 360. Half of that is pi, and then half of that is pi by 2, and 3 pi by 2. So we start at 0, then we go to 1, we go to 0, we go to -1, and we go to 0. Now we have the sine wave from 0 to 2 pi. It goes like this. Okay? There's your sine wave from 0 to 2 pi. Now 2 pi covers the whole thing. The next part is we're going to amplify it, and we're going to call it y is equal to twice as high in sine x. Okay? So it's going to go this high, it's going to go here, it's going to go here, it's going to go here. So we go this way, and this way. This time the amplitude is 2. So this creates the amplitude. It's from 0 to 2 pi. Now let's go down one. As we're going down now, I'm saying I want 2 sine waves in pi. So in 2 pi, I want 2 curves. That's what this says. So I cut it in half. I make 1 pi here. Okay, so I go to the middle, peak, peak, there's 1. There's the second. I have 2 sine waves in 2 pi. Next curve. I'm going to move the sine curve up 2. It's basically the purple one here, but I'm moving it up 2. So I'm going to, the x-axis or y-axis, x-axis is up 2 units, okay? And it's still 1 up, and it's 1 down. So there is your curve. It's still the sine curve. I moved it up 2. Okay, let's go down the bottom. I want half a curve in 2 pi. So I do a half a curve in 2 pi. That's it. Let's go back to the beginning. So the sine curve starts at 0, goes to 1, goes to 0, goes to -1. Here I am, 0, 1, 0, -1, 0. 1 cycle, 2 pi. They're all 2 pi. This tells me what's happening. I want 2 of them. Moving up 2. I want a half a curve in 2 pi. I can't make it simpler than that.